Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel, your go-to spot for the latest tech how-tos and productivity hacks. Today, I'm showing you how to delay or schedule email delivery in Microsoft Outlook. The full guide. Whether you want to send an email at the perfect time across time zones or just review it later before it goes out, this feature is an absolute game changer. Stick around because by the end of this video, you'll know exactly how to use it step by step. First, let's understand what Outlook's delayed delivery feature actually does. It lets you compose an email now and have it automatically sent later. Perfect for coordinating across time zones, managing your schedule, or avoiding those midnight oops emails. Now, open your browser and head over to Outlook via Microsoft 365. Sign in securely with your Microsoft credentials, and if you've got two-step verification turned on, make sure to complete that, especially if you're on a share or work device. Once you're in, go to the mail section to access your inbox. Click on New Message, you'll see a plus icon or a labeled button, depending on your layout. Start writing your email. Add your recipients, type a clear subject line, and craft your message just like you normally would. But here's the trick. Don't hit send just yet. Look for the small downward arrow next to the send button. Click that, and you'll see the option for Schedule Send. This opens up a scheduling window. And this is where the magic happens. Now, choose the exact date and time you want your message to go out. You can pick from the built-in calendar and time picker to get it just right. A quick tip, Outlook handles delivery through its servers, so your email will still send at the scheduled time even if your device is offline. Finally, review your message, make sure everything looks perfect, and hit done or confirm. And that's it. Outlook will automatically deliver your email exactly when you scheduled it. No extra tools or add-ons needed. And there you have it. That's how you delay or schedule email delivery in Outlook like a pro. If this video helped you out, don't forget to hit like, subscribe, and tap the bell icon so you never miss more quick Outlook and Microsoft 365 tips. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.